guys, so today I feel like doing a house tour, so let's get started. First is my room.
Here's my room, my bed, I sleep on. Never mind, okay. My bed. Next is my laundry room. So this is my laundry. Right now, I was gonna open this up, but yeah. Next is my workout room. Yeah. Next is our downstairs room. So here's our two couches, and the chair, and the TV. Outdoor. So here is our bathroom, but this is a toilet with pee. Yeah. So moving up to so this is our bathroom from upstairs. What are you doing? Nothing. Here's the parents' bedroom. Yeah. Then their bathroom. Oh. That room's just a weird place to eat food. Here's the bathroom. You were already in it before. No, then move. So here's the living room. There's Mara. And there's the kitchen. And yeah. What are you doing? So, thank you guys for watching. No. Bye. Bye.
And make sure to like, subscribe, and comment.